end these at any time. Now, as I said, at any time you can reset this grid, and it starts to get a bit confusing at this point. So I'm going to go into my View Perspective Grid and show you that there are other perspective grids. So we have a 1-point perspective, which creates this kind of effect, which is great for creating like railroad tracks and things like that. If you want a railroad track going off into the distance, you can adjust your perspective grid. And again, you have a ground line and a horizon line that you can adjust. And all the same widgets allow you to make adjustments, bring the ground line up to the horizon, pull it down further. And then we have a 3-point perspective grid, which is pretty amazing. It gives us these really dramatic Marvel-like perspectives. And this is the one that we're going to use in the exercises that we're going to go through. So there we can look as if we're really looking down on a very, very tall building. And I can extend that and make a really deep skyscraper by pulling this down and extending my grid that way. So you see, you can create just the most amazing dramatic perspectives using the perspective grid tool. So once you've had a little play with it, and again, I can adjust the vanishing points of that. So we have 3 vanishing points. So there's 2 vanishing points on the horizon line, and then we have a 3rd vanishing point down here. So you can even create weird angles like that, as if you're kind of sitting in a helicopter or something, looking down at the building. So create really extreme perspectives. So we'll have a look at how to use these in the next movie, but that's a little introduction to this perspective grid and perspective drawing.